What is going on, neighbors? Have you been watching the market and keeping your eye out for an affordable condo in the Winter Park area that's minutes away from Baldwin Park? I found it. Let's go check it out. Welcome to 338 Scottsdale Square in the quiet community of Winter Park Woods. As you enter this 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, you are immediately greeted with an open floor plan that has a spacious living room and dining room combo. One of my favorite features in this condo is the brick wall in the downstairs bathroom. Other great features are the solid wood cabinets in the kitchen, a balcony with a sliding glass door, a new AC unit, and another balcony off the master bedroom, which allows tons of natural light to flow through the room. Now, when it comes to location, you're in prime territory, close to the airport, nightlife, shopping, dining, and not to mention minutes away from Baldwin Park. If you're looking for convenience and affordability, you have to check out this turnkey property today. Wow, what do you think, neighbors? When it comes to affordability and location, this area cannot be beat. If you like what you just saw, contact me today, Jonathan Fadul, the Real Estate Genie, for your private tour of this amazing condo today.